In this video, we're going to talk about how to apply user-friendly naming conventions to your columns. Just a little bit of housekeeping. I'm going to delete both of these queries that we were working on in the previous video because we don't really need them. So I'm going to right-click and delete and navigate on over to our sales order table again. So this is really an exercise in understanding how to effectively name your columns. We see that our columns are coming in very cleanly from our database, but a lot of your data sources might have columns that do not have a very nice name. We see that, for example, we can rename this column to be something like customer ID, something like that. It's not that clean. We may want to rename this to look a little bit more user-friendly, such as having a capital C in customer ID and a capital I, and removing this underscore here. So we can do that to bring it back to our original customer ID. But I'm actually going to show you in the next video when we talk about the advanced editor on how to do this programmatically. And one more note, you can also change the name of your table in case they were coming in a weird naming convention. We can either right click and rename here, or we can just click on the query and rename it here on the right side. In case we want to get rid of the sales, which was represented in the schema, we can just do orders if you want, but I don't like to show sales orders. You do have a lot of options in order to rename your columns and your tables in order to show them in a nice format.